Hello and aloha, it's me again, Jerry Mateo. And today what I will teach you is how to make our Kratky hydroponic system, okay? As you can see, it's nice and hot here in sunny Bakersfield, California. So I set up some Kratky to grow some vegetable, okay? Some leafy vegetable. Right here, we have some mustasa or green mustard. Okay, I have a couple of those Kratky, and then the last one here are lettuce. Okay, so I will show you now how I made all those Kratky different types of container for our hydroponic system. Okay, but before that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll learn how to make Kratky hydroponic system. Mabuhay! Hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jerry Mateo and welcome to Jerry's Pinoy Hydroponics. Okay? So today I'm going to talk about how to make a Kratky method, okay? Using different types of materials here, okay? And I'll explain that to you. Usually in the Philippines we use a styrofoam, you know, the grapes styrofoam box, but here in Bakersfield, California, I can't find any styrofoam box. So what I found here that we could use as a DIY are two different types of boxes. This one is a almost similar to the styrofoam box we have, almost the same size, you can see, but this one is basically plastic and it has a cover, so you can see right here. This is black, and I'll explain that to you what's going to be the important features of this type. This one, I'm gonna pretty much make a hole over here like this styrofoam box, which is three in both sides and two in the middle. So I will make a hole in that later on. The other material that I'm using here is this open plastic. As you can see, it's transparent, and I already showed you how I made my holes over here, and I ended up doing 5 on one side and 4 in the middle, with a total of 14 styrofoam cups. Okay, so the main difference between these two, first of all, this one, as you can see, it's black, so it's very hard, and algae will not go in there when we put it outside, you know, in the sun. And it's very sturdy box, nice and, you know, strong. Compared to this one, although we can make a lot of holes and a lot more styrofoam cups, which will yield a lot more lettuce or leafy vegetables. However, this one is very open, and if you put that outside in the sun, you know, it will, the light of the sun will go right through, and it's gonna build up some algae, and it's not gonna be good because it will create a lot of different types of damage to your plant. So, however, we can do something about this in order to prevent algae from coming in. And put this down here, and what I will do is cover it with some kind of insulation. And for this type of project, I have this I use this insulation from my water heater. So basically inside it has all kinds of foam materials, and outside is a UV protector, basically, so the sun won't go through. And there are different types of insulation that you can use for this, but for this one I'm going to use this kind. Okay, so basically what you do is you set it up that, you know, you will have enough materials to cover your whole container. Okay, so I think I have enough here. So what I'll do is over here, I'm gonna cut it so that, you know, I'll have just enough to use for this type of material, so that it will be easier for me to tape it when I do it later. Okay, so just like that. All right, and I think right now I will go on a time lapse to do this.
Forget the day we met, your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine.
Okay, folks, so here it is now. It's all covered all around so that the sun won't go through and the algae will not build inside. All right, so that's how you do that. Now when we put our plants, basically, we put it in there, and we will put our water and with nut salt, and we can place it outside. And that's all, folks. Thank you very much, and mabuhay! Hello, so for this one, the box that we bought from Walmart. Again, it's $11. So if you're gonna compare that with pesos, that's about 1,100 pesos. So it's a little bit expensive, but as you can see, it's very nice and durable. It's black, so the sun won't go through and it won't create no algae. So what I'll do is to put a 8 different holes here, just like the styrofoam that we use in the Philippines. And the way I'm going to do that basically is measure it with my handy dandy tape measure, and then, you know, make a hole on that. All right, and I will do this. I'll do in a time lapse, so you won't be bored. All right, so here we go, time lapse.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Okay, folks, so here it is. So now we did a drill for 3, 6, 8 holes, just like the styrofoam that we use in the Philippines. Okay, and then of course we use a size, what is this one? It says, you can see 2 to 3/4, 70 millimeter. Okay, and then you can use that in any way you can. So first you make a dent, and then you do a reverse, and then you finish up with the reverse, and put it right in there. All right, so now we have our 2 different kind of Kratky boxes that we will use to plant our lettuce and leafy vegetables. All right, so just follow me, wait for the next one, and again, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, till then, mabuhay! Okay, at this time, what we're gonna do is I will show you how to put a hole in a styro cup glass. Okay, this is a 8 ounce styro cup glass, and Kind of hard to find this, but Dollar Tree store, baby. $1 for basically 45 pieces for $1. That's a bargain at the Dollar Tree store. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is put 4 different holes on this, and what I'll just do is just align it. You know, use a sharp knife basically all the way, so make it go like past this almost to the line of the cups, and do it on that side, and then basically, you know, just cut that. There is your holes. So basically the root will go right through those holes, and that will make the vegetable to grow with a water and not salt solution. Okay, so again, cut that little piece and get rid of that, and we'll do 4 more. And then I'll show you the finished product in a bit here. So basically that's 3, and last one that I'm gonna do here. Okay, just nice and easy. You know, you don't have to do it so hard, because you're gonna ruin your styrofoam, but just do that, and there's your 4 holes. So different people does different things. Sometimes they put more holes in this, sometimes less, but for me 4 works, so that's fine with me. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that with all of them, and then we're ready to put the medium and plant our crab, you know, lettuce or any leafy vegetables. Okay, and now we are done. So finally we got 8 different cups here, 8 holes. So now we are ready to put our cocoa peat, and then put our water and not so, and then we are going to put this out in the greenhouse together with the other different types of Kratky box. Okay, so tune in and I'll be back. Bye. Okay, so basically Kratky system is basically a standing alone plant, and it's over the water with nutrient, and that's it. So once you put your water and nutrient, and then you put your plant or vegetables on top of it, and you can leave it there all the way to 30 days or whenever you harvest it, and you don't have to put any more water or anything again. So it's the easiest way of doing hydroponics. So you make your containers, you have your plants in a medium in a glass or styrofoam cups, and then you fill it with water, with nutrients, and you set your cups with plants on it, and you just wait for it to grow, and you harvest when it's time to harvest. And that's how easy it is to make a Kratky hydroponic system. So as you can see, I have my new one, and then here are the old one that I used to have in the Philippines, and that's the styrofoam boxes that I was talking to you about. But it's almost the same one as what you just showed that I did here in the United States. But basically, it's the same process. You have a container, you make a hole, have your styrofoam cups, you put your cocoa coir or whatever medium you use, you put your plants, and you set it on top of your box or your styrofoam, and you let it go for 20 something or to 30 days, and you harvest your plants. Boom. All right, so folks, that's how easy it is to make your Kratky hydroponic system. So have fun.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue.
Okay, folks, so that's it. That's how it is to make a Kratky hydroponic system. Very easy, very inexpensive, and you guys can do it. If I can do it, you guys can do it. All right, so until the next one, but again, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and learn a lot from me, Jerry's Hydroponics. Mabuhay!
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the